How to unsend invite messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can unsend invite messages on Instagram. First thing first, open up your Instagram application and then log in into your account. Now let's say that if you have actually sent a message to somebody who you don't follow, let me just try it. For example, this particular user, so you need to go to the message icon and over here just type in hi maybe. So over here you can see that you'll not be able to send any messages nor you'll be able to remove any of it. Now in order to unsend or remove the invite link, there is no other alternative apart from blocking them. So for that you need to click on view profile. Over here click on the three dot icon located right on top. After that go to block, and as soon as you do that click on the block button. Now once again go ahead and click on the block button. So now click on the delete button once again after you've blocked this contact. As you can see that the message will be deleted, and that is basically how you can unsend invite messages on Instagram. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can deactivate your account for certain days. After that the message won't be delivered, and that is basically how you can uninvite message on Instagram. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.